In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Zenless Zone 0 graphic error. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So if you're playing the Zenless Zone 0 game and you receive a message or you encounter a problem or you get the Unity error or graphics error, so the first thing you can do to repair this is simply update your graphics driver. So ensure your Intel graphics driver are up to date and the latest version has been installed on your system. Next is you want to repair the game. So if any issues occur during the installation, it might also be the reason behind the error. So open the game's launcher, click the settings icon, and select repair to let the game run its diagnosis and fix any issues. Next is you can run the game as an administrator. So while launching the title, make sure to run the game as administrator by going to the game's original file location. So right click on the properties and choose run this as administrator under the compatibility option. Next is you want to turn off your antivirus. So if you have an active antivirus running other than Microsoft Defender, you can turn it off temporarily to check if that fixes your error. So they often bottleneck multiple crucial requirements of live service games. Next is you want to allow the game on your firewall. So open your firewall through Windows Security and go to allow an application. Select ZZZ or Zenless Zone 0 and choose private and public so that firewall doesn't interrupt your gaming experience. So that's basically it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.